Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. It's a really hot day. I mean, look at the sunshine. Whoa, it's really bright today. I'm trying to hide in the shade. But we're gonna make a beautiful salad for lunch, and I'm gonna make Greek goddess dressing, which is my take on green goddess dressing. I think you're really gonna enjoy it. Slightly more Mediterranean diet friendly and really delicious. So come on, I'll show you how to do it. There are many recipes that you can find for green goddess dressing, but all of them call for either mayonnaise or sour cream or a combination of both, but that just didn't sound very appealing to me. So to make it a little more Mediterranean diet friendly, I'm going to use Greek yogurt and avocado to be our creaminess. I'm also going to add a green onion, some tarragon, which is a universal ingredient in green goddess dressing, some lemon juice, a big bunch of parsley. You can also use chervil, which is sort of a French parsley. And then I'm going to put a garlic clove. I have some freshly ground black pepper, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and an anchovy. You can also use anchovy paste if you would rather. So these are our ingredients. I think they're going to combine into something delicious. First thing I'm going to do is put in the Greek yogurt. This is a 5.3 ounce container of yogurt. It's strained, non-fat yogurt, and it's plain. You don't want any flavor in it. And now I'm going to add the avocado. I'm going to add half an avocado to start and see if that's enough. Just scoop that out of there. Get all the little good bits. I think that'll probably be plenty, but we'll taste it. And then we'll see. We can add another half if we have to. And put in green onion. Just gonna snip that in half so it fits better. I'm gonna put in our garlic clove, our anchovy, and our 2 peppers. I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon. Now the most important ingredient is tarragon. Tarragon, it's pretty long, isn't it? It smells delicious. So I'm just throwing these in whole. I'm going to do a good bit of it. Because traditionally this is what makes it green, this and the parsley. So I also have this Italian flat leaf parsley. I'm just pulling off some bundles of it. I'm just pulling off some bundles of it, putting it in. And we're going to whip this up. So here we go. Just scraping down the sides, and everything seems a little bit thick. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. And go again. I just tasted it and I thought it was a little strong on the herb side, which is good, but I didn't want it to be too strong. So I added the other half of the avocado. I'm adding a little bit more water just to make it a little thinned out, and we're going to give this another blitz. And here we have our green goddess dressing. And now we're going to build our beautiful salad. In this colander I have a mix of lettuces. So underneath there's some iceberg and some butter lettuce. I have some red leaf, some watercress, which is so healthy for you. I have some radicchio. We're going to wash this off and put it through the salad spinner, my favorite gadget. And then for some toppings I have these little tomatoes in different colors, some cucumber slices, some radish slices, some carrot shavings, and some chickpeas. We're going to put this all together and then test out our new dressing. Also makes a great dip for vegetables, and it's lovely drizzled over fish, like salmon. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know if you tried that dressing because it was so delicious. I hope you enjoy it too. Please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, do all the things, and I will see you next time. Bye!